I've got a super early spoiler to share with you, and it's the Glossybox February Beauty Box. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've been sent the Glossybox February Beauty Box super early, and there's no mention about me not posting until a certain date, so I thought, well, why not? Share it with you now. The January box is still available, so if you subscribe up until the end of January, then your first box will be the January one. But if you fall in love with this one, then you'll have to wait until the 1st of February in order to get this one. The cost of the box is £13.25, and that includes shipping, and inside contains 5 beauty items. If you'd like to receive your first box for £8.50, that's £5 off, then I do have a code. Pop it up here, but I'll also pop it down there. As well as a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. So yeah, so let's open up then and show you what's inside. We're back to the normal pink box this month. January box was really lovely. It was a drawer. So, sneak peek first. Now there is a QR code in here, and I do this all the time. I'll scan it, but I doubt I'll have any information up yet. This is called the Winter Secrets Heartfelt Beauty Box. No information about the February box yet because it's so early, but I have had an email from Glossybox saying that this box is on its way and they have given a breakdown of the products inside, so I'm able to tell you what new and regular subscribers will receive, which are a little bit different. Starting off by Made by Mitchell, this is Blush, and I've got it in Shady Business. I'll just open this up. Existing subscribers were able to choose, I think there's about 3 different shades. I do have my own subscription, and with those boxes I put them up for giveaways, and I think I actually chose this shade. But all new subscribers and everyone that receives a PR box will receive this one. The value of this month's box comes to £54 as well. This is a liquid bronze, although it says liquid blusher. You can use it whatever you want. But for me, that's more of a bronze shade. The formula feels really nice. It feels really nice and smooth. That is quite orange. I prefer to go for something a little bit more cooler. Oh, I wonder if I did choose this one then for my my own subscription. Yeah, that is a little bit on the orange side for my skin tone, but it's all right. Maybe it'd be a little bit better if I had some fake tan on. But yeah, the formula is lovely. You can see it blends in really nicely, easily, and it gives like a powdered finish. Very smooth. Yeah, I really do like this formula. I just have to see what it's like actually on my skin. So that's the first item. Next we've got Ouai. This is the Glow Glamour Cream Liner, and I've got it in Pink Treat. Now, all subscribers will receive one of 2 different shades. It doesn't say, the information here, it doesn't say what the other shade is. but yeah, there's a cream liner for your lips. Let's see. Oh, I should have wiped my hands. There, let's go down there. Oh, that is nice. I do like that. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, happy with that colour. When I first saw it on there, I thought, oh, okay, it's going to be quite vibrant, but no, that is beautiful. I've got lots of like rosy lipstick, so that's perfect. Yeah, happy with that. Next we've got something for your hair. This is a Brushworks Wave Claw Clip, and I'm sure I've got one of these in black. Let's see. Yeah, I have got one. It might be a completely different brand. I think I got this in a different beauty box. But no, this is different. Ugh, just shut my drawer. I really like this one. It's really cool. That's a really nice colour clip to have, as it'll go with blonde, brown, black. A little bit different. Then we have got a 3-in-1 conditioning treatment. Well, it's We Are Paradox. This is thickening 3-in-1. It's a conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream for thicker, fuller hair. And we have got 30 mils here. This is really great. I love this as a conditioner. I remember purchasing, I think it was like a litre bottle. It was quite pricey, but it lasts forever. It's just a really nice thick conditioner. I don't think I've ever used it as a mask or a finishing cream. But as a conditioner for my hair is naturally thin and fine, and I've got some taping extensions in at the moment. But yeah, my hair likes it, so I'll be saving that as a conditioner to take away with me if I go anywhere. And then lastly, we've got a spray. This is Bubble Tea Vanilla Muse. It's a body mist, and there's 50 mils there. This is see-through. I didn't know Bubble Tea did body sprays. But yeah, Vanilla Muse. It is more on the sweet side than a, say, musky side. I was thinking then it's not vanilla musk, it's Muse. Yeah, more on a sweet side, but it's not so sweet that it's like ugh, really sickly. Can I tell you anything about it? No. Let's see on my phone. No, there's no extra information on the email or anything. So we've got a body spray there by Bubble Tea. So those are all the products inside the February subscription box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. Got the Made by Mitchell blush, liquid bronzer. Subscribers get a choice of 3 shades. PR boxes and new subscribers will get this one, which is Shady Business. Then we've got a cream liner from Ouai, and I've got it in Pink Treat. And you'll either receive this one or another one, which I don't know what shade that one is. You've got a Brushworks Wave Claw Clip. Got We Are Paradox 3-in-1 hair treatment, mask, finishing cream and conditioner. And lastly, Vanilla Muse body spray by Bubble Tea. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this February box? If you are a subscriber, are you excited to receive it? Or are you watching this thinking, you're not sure if you want to subscribe or not? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.